Think out of the box. Use your seventh sense. Try to inspire the people. Work with a great mission, and nothing is a rocket science. These statements are not quoted by any political leader or any freedom fighter or an armed military person. These statements are quoted by one of my previous manager in my previous company. He was a perfectionist. He wants everything and everybody to be perfect. In another word, a fault-finding person. So we used to call him as Mr. J. Hill, that is Junior Hitler, a micromanagement person. But I am the person who don't like if someone tries to control me, except my wife. But my fate, I work under him. So every day there was a debate or a crossword between me and him. So most of the times I took a strong decision that whatever he says, I don't listen to him. So most of the times, every day we are talking with each other in a very bad manner. So we both try to derail each other. So some of the incidents are like, we people are advised to not to go for break in groups, but we do that. And one time he caught us and asked us, why you guys are going for break in groups? Very silently I replied, if you want, you can join a group, so the group will be bigger and you are captain for that. He just stared at me, what you guys are speaking. And the next time, another incident. Sometimes we corporate people are forced to attend some training which is nowhere related to a topic. So physically we will be there, just sitting in the position and thinking something else. At the last, he also knows that the training is not going to be useful for us. At the last, he exactly pointed to me and asked, Bill, what did you got from this training? Again, I made a silence and told him that whatever you got, I too got the same. So that is how my relationship with my manager was there for a long time. One fine evening, I got a mail that I was awarded as best performer of that month. I was stranded and surprised. I don't have words. But luckily, the very much suspense is that was nominated by him. I was roaming here and there as agile as monkey. My fellow teammates thought that, suspected me that I have threatened or blackmailed him to get myself nominated. No, I haven't did that. On the same day, he called me for a one-to-one meeting. I know that that meeting is not going to be a pleasant and prolonged experience. And I know that he is going to say that how much he struggled to me myself get nominated for this award. So I was there in the room. By amazed, he was very cool on that day. He started talking about a small incident. He told me that Japanese loves fresh fish to eat. To get the fresh fish, the shipping company traveled long distance to get it. As soon as he started talking about Japan fish sea, whether he is planning me to debut or send an on-site opportunity in Japan and get a washed away tsunami. I was thinking about that. Oh my God. But luckily his intention was not that. He was saying that as this Japanese fishing company traveled for long distance, they got the fish, but they kept it in a freezer, so the fish was frozen. So the Japanese people can't get the taste, the fresh fish taste. Now the Japanese people came with another idea, that they catch the fish and put it in a small fish tank. So that the fishes are thrashing for some time. After that, again it's a small place, it became dull and lost the taste. Now the fishing companies are in deep crisis. They want to find a solution. They found a solution and still that was implemented. That they catch the fish and stuff it in the tank, but this time along with a small shark. Now the fishes are moving here and there and it was very active. So what is the moral of the story? The story is, we the team members, everybody was fish and he was a shark. Because of that shark, we people are able to achieve our challenges, conquering our targets, and most importantly, more punctual and disciplined. I agree to that. He also mentioned that manager is not the person who can make a work better than his men. He is the person who can make his men to work better. I was thrilled to listen that type of speech from him. As he was that much free on that day, I asked him, Why can't you be little bit lenient with our team members? They're holding a grudge. Again he replied. So he smiled and replied me that, Bill, a boss should be always a boss. That he called me, became a friend or a fellow colleague to discuss about our child investment plan or how to decrease our tummy or how to decrease our cholesterol foods. It was not paid for. He wants to do a technical deliverables, and that was his style. And he also mentioned that if he was that much friendship with the team members, then the expectations changes and the judgments are clouded. You don't want to do that. You want to make ensure that team members should work towards a career focus and improve themselves. Oh my God, after listening to his speech, not only the movie that villain can turn into hero, in real life too, I got that point. I just remember one famous word from Mark Lemons that the leaders are the one who are most respected are the one who promise, who deliver more than what they promise, and not the one who promise more than what they deliver. Then after onwards, he is my one-time hero of that. And I was asking that, why, what made him to give this type of things to me immediately in a sudden day? Then I came to know that he already resigned the company. So before he resigned, he wants to give that he is a good person, don't create a bad impression throughout that life. Thank you.